There are many power washers products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best washers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Pressure washer. Rating 4.8. This 1000 psi electric pressure washer high motor provides 2.5 GPM cleaning pressure, which is enough to meet various household cleaning needs. The light weight of the motor makes the machine lighter and easier to use. Our pressure washer is suitable for washing cars, gardens, driveways and terraces, etc. The high-quality copper connections are easily joined to hose and nozzle for quick, effortless hookup. Water no leak. Compact. Upright design with axle-mounted wheels. Allows easy roll-away mobility. Pistol-style grip with trigger spray wand. Dispenses for efficient pressure. Number 4. Dextra Electric Power Washer. Rating 4.8. Tackle the toughest grime with the Dextra Electric Pressure Washer, designed for your most easy and convenient cleaning experience yet. Delivering 3500 max psi of pressure with up to 2.5 GPM of water flow, this power washer has the muscle to scrub away mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more for all household surfaces, with pure scouring force. Just a few parts to install and large and stronger wheels. The pressure washer is super easy to use and can be moved anywhere at any time. Number 3. Electric pressure washer. Rating 4.8. The high-quality copper connections are easily joined to hose and nozzle for quick, effortless hookup. Water no leak. Compact. Upright design with axle-mounted wheels. Allows easy roll-away mobility. Pistol-style grip with trigger spray wand. Dispenses for efficient pressure washing. Provides a stronger aluminum handle. The built-in storage box of the high-pressure cleaner can store all accessories neatly and keep the power cord clean and tangle-free. Our high-pressure washer tackle a variety of cleaning tasks: homes, buildings, cars, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment. Number 2. Lahau Electric Pressure Washer. Rating 4.8. Powerful 1800-watt universal motor. Generates max 4000 psi water pressure at 3.5 GPM water flow for max cleaning power. Our electric pressure washers are ideal for quickly and easily removing dirt and dirt. You can choose pressure washer nozzles according to your different cleaning tasks, which can improve cleaning efficiency. The power washer with wheeled upright trolley makes moving the pressure washer easy and safe. The mesh stock on both sides can hold the spray gun. Number 1. Power washer. Rating 4.9. This power washer built-in powerful 1700-watt motor to generate up to max psi water pressure at 2.3 GPM water flow for max cleaning power. Powered using an air-cooled industrial motor, and the power will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. The high-quality copper connections are easily joined to hose and nozzle for quick, effortless hookup. Water no leak. Compact. Upright design with axle-mounted wheels. Allows easy roll-away mobility. Pistol-style grip with trigger spray wand. Dispenses for efficient pressure washing. Provides a stronger aluminum handle. The built-in storage box of the high-pressure cleaner can store all accessories neatly. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.